Day and what we saw this evening.
Yes, Mother Nature was throwing a raucous party for some in East Texas tonight. Luckily, no severe thunderstorms today. So some excellent news there. You know what else is excellent news?
Tell me.
What could be happening in the skies over East Texas tomorrow night. It is all dependent on if we see the clouds or not see the clouds. Let's go ahead and talk about this. Total lunar eclipse will be visible across the U.S. tomorrow night. And a total lunar eclipse, don't get this confused with a solar eclipse. You can actually look at this one and not have any eye damage. But the total lunar eclipse is when the Earth passes between the sun and the moon, and the Earth's shadow is actually cast on the surface of the moon, making it appear red, which is part of the reason why NASA scientists call this a blood moon, because it has a reddish tint to it. So a total lunar eclipse, the last one we had was in November of 2022. The next one we have is going to be tomorrow night. We often see partial lunar eclipses as well, and that's when the hard shadow of the Earth is cast upon a fraction of the moon, but not all of the moon is covered in that reddish tint. Now, the total lunar eclipse, now granted, these are all in Eastern time, so you have to subtract an hour. So around midnight tomorrow night, the shadow of the eclipse is going to begin, and it will go total between about 1:30 tomorrow night Central Daylight Time and 2:30 tomorrow night before it comes to an end Friday morning. So set those alarms. You don't need a telescope. Hopefully, we do see a few breaks in the clouds. I do think we'll see a few breaks in the clouds tomorrow night, and I think it's going to be an excellent time to view it. Severe thunderstorm watch goes until 11 o'clock. Panola, Nacogdoches, Angelina County, and pointing off to the southeast. Those are the counties still included in the watch, but the storms, they are racing off to the east, and the severe weather threat's effectively over to the northwest of this line of storms. We just have the leading edge of the line. That's where we could have those strong winds, maybe some pocket change hail like we saw earlier today. But the storms, they've moved over Toledo Bend. They've produced a lot of lightning, and the last of the storms are exiting the area as we speak. And this boundary we've been talking about, it's going to move east. That will give us more stable and more dry air, and it will set the stage for yet another severe weather event for Friday. Luckily, all of East Texas now out of the threat of severe weather. It is a different story over the Midwest and Mississippi River Valley, where they have a level 3 enhanced risk, and then it is a level 3 enhanced risk for the deep south. So I do expect a significant severe weather outbreak to our east, but that does not include us here in East Texas. I do not have severe weather in my forecast over the next 7 days for our neck of the woods. So we should be able to take a deep breath, and temperatures, they're going to be in the 70s and 80s as a result to an inactive weather pattern over the next week. We will remain dry, low temperatures in the 40s and 50s for the most part. And then as we look at deep East Texas, same deal. We will be dry through next Wednesday. We're at 85 tomorrow, 83 Friday, and then 70s the rest of the way. Casey.